One thing that beginners seem to forget is that playing music is all about free expression. Playing chords is not an exception to that rule. You don't have to play every note in the chord. In fact, the notes in any chord actually complement each other. By that, I mean they sound good played together or in a sequence. In this video, I'm going to try and demonstrate that by playing a random pattern of notes in random chords and try to get a tune out of it that doesn't sound like the proverbial cat being strangled. I'm going to play it for about, give it probably a minute. I will upload whatever I produce. This could be a disaster, but I promise you, whatever is produced, I'm going to upload. Well, I don't think that was actually too bad. Why not give it a go yourself? If anyone complains, tell them they don't understand free expression. The thing about playing guitar is that it's quite difficult to make it sound bad, so you should be okay. I'll give it another go and I'll upload whatever is produced. If it goes wrong, remember, it's free expression and I'll stand by that. Again, I don't think it was too bad. A few more mistakes than the first attempt, but as I always say, who cares? It's just a bit of fun. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I hope to see you soon. And if you haven't done so already, I'd really appreciate it if you like, comment, subscribe, share, all that sort of stuff you're supposed to do on YouTube but nobody ever does. So all I have to say is, hey Michelle!